This is a tutorial on how to download and install the nutrient management planning software program SnapPlus to your computer. So let's get started. First, you need to download the program. Go to our website at snapplus.wisc.edu to download the software. Before downloading, you must meet several requirements for your computer system. You must have Microsoft Windows installed to your computer in order to run the program. Windows 10 is the earliest supported version. You must also have at least 4 GB of space on your computer to keep the program running at an optimum. Lastly, in order to run SnapMaps, the GIS program used to map out your farm, you must be using internet browsers, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox. Internet Explorer is not supported. Now that we have that covered, click on Downloads to open the drop-down menu of available software downloads and information. Select the top choice to download the latest version available to users. This is the choice we recommend the most. The second choice is the beta or maintenance version of the software. This version will have the latest features and improvements, but you may experience more performance issues with it. For more installation details on the software, click here. You can also download older versions of the software if you'd like to use those, but keep in mind that these versions do not have the latest features and models. Let's download the recommended version of the software. Select the top choice from the Downloads drop-down menu. Then click on this link next to Download to start the downloading process. If you have any virus protection software in your program, you may get warnings when trying to download. You can ignore these and bypass the warnings to continue the download. After it is finished downloading, select the file from your downloads and follow the installation instructions on the screen. You may get warnings during this process too, but just bypass the warnings again. The installation process may take several minutes. Once it is complete, launch the program. The first thing you will see is that the Help window will open to the What's New page. It is a good idea to take a quick look at this information since it will give you a brief summary of new features or issues that you need to be aware of. While we are here, let's take a look at the Help and how it's organized. The Help is a great place to look when you have questions about how the program works. The Help is available while the program is running by either clicking on the question mark or going to the Help menu and selecting Help Contents. The Help is always available on the snapplus.wisc.edu website under the Help tab. You do not have to be running SnapPlus to access it here. The best way to navigate the Help is to have the Contents tab highlighted here. The menu is arranged by screen, and you can easily click the topics to expand or collapse. If you like, you can also do a search for a topic by clicking on the Search tab and entering in a word or phrase. Another way to find a help topic is to select the Index tab and type in a keyword. One more thing I want to point out while we are in the Help is how to set the screen resolution for optimal viewing. Let's go to the Contents and click on SnapPlus Basics, then Minimum Requirements. This section on screen size summarizes how you should set up your screen for optimal viewing and whether you want to use the Auto Hide feature. If you are running Windows 10, make sure to click here to read about how to set up things properly so the screen functions correctly. You are now ready to get started with your farm. Watch our tutorial on getting started with SnapPlus to get planning. This is the end of the tutorial on downloading and getting started with SnapPlus. Watch our other tutorials on SnapPlus to learn more.